family. So thank you very much, and a special thanks to Prafulla Panigrahi sir, who has given us the opportunity to start up with this NITJ chapters, and it is going across the globe. So it is really a fantastic job. And first of all, I would like to also give all the organizations from my bottom of my heart that who has given me opportunity to show what I have done, what I have achieved, and where I am now, to say something about that one. So let us start that my career start from the NIT Jamshedpur in the 2001 batch, wherein I have started studying with the computer science and engineering. This was the first day in November 2001 when I boarded to the college. It was really a fantastic moment, and I am for sure that what I am going to say is really for most of the NITians who has suffered with these 4 years, and I know that these 4 years is one of the best period of our life, if not the best. So what happened that enter into the college, there is no control of the guardians. Whatever you want, you can do here. We are getting money from the guardians. We can do whatever, enjoying, playing the cricket and hobby, except the study. We have never taken the stress of the study, even though examination also. This is the 1 day job before the examination starts. So this is all for the NITians. We passed also because we have selected from across the Bihar and globe with high confidence examinations. So it was really a good time that we have spent, but we know that the time is always changed. Now we came to the 3rd year, we have passed the 3rd years. The pressure is mounted that we have only 1 year that we have to complete and go shift to the professional life. Campus started, starting from very first company, I have been selected. Again, the life came what we have explained for the from first year to 3rd years. Again enjoy, but there was some gap happens. The guys who has got selected was getting enjoyed, but not got selected. That guys got getting with some stress, some kind of things. There is a frictions between the friends and friends also. But at last, this is because of NIT Jamshedpur. Everyone has got selected into this company, and everyone shifted. Now the professional career started in 2005 onwards. Most of the friends goes across the globe. Someone goes across the out of India also, but I have landed to a Bangalore. This was the first company. I don't know what is the culture because we are not following the punctuality, timing, nothing in the college. But there we need to wear formal pants and time to time management through project delivery. But unfortunately, in the first project, I didn't get much that project which is suitable for me, and it was really pathetic for me. Then after I have started thinking that what I need to do because the professional career is not fit for me, I have shifted to another company, and that this is the multinational company, that is Oracle. So when I went to the Oracle, then my dreams comes true because I want to like lavish life, BMW, foreign trip, everything. Oracle did it. Starting from very first day, I have got a laptop. That time in 2005-06, laptop is something prestigious. So that time I got a laptop, and then I got an Amex card also. That card limit is limitless. Whatever I spend, you can spend. Nothing, nobody is going to take care about this one. Only you will have to fill the expense and it will be reimbursed. Within 2 to 3 months, Oracle started sending me out of India. Now, I cannot tell much more, but I have traveled in Oracle more than 20 plus countries, including Europe, Singapore, Gulf country, and whatsoever. Then after the life turns that time, I thought that this is going to be overjoyed and it is not going to be a continuum till the last. So in 2013, I have started thinking that is it the life that I am going to live? Business class, then you can say that 5-star hotel, BMW, what you need to do, because end of the day you will have to die. At least you can think something that if you will die, then somebody will say that's okay, this is a started life by these guys, at least they can remember for this. So I started thinking, but it is not easy. That life was not easy because from service to business entrepreneur, it is very tough. So first of all, I have set my mindset and then it took around 3 years. So from 2013 to 2016, I have prepared myself that how to become from a serviceman to entrepreneur. In 2016, what happened that I was well settled in Australia, Canberra, with family, no issues, nothing, no financial problem is there. But suddenly I was sleeping at the 8 o'clock. I remember that day. This was my turning point and became my entrepreneurship. My mother called me, and my mother called me and they told clearly, "Beta, where are you?" Only I am in Australia. So he told, "When you are coming?" So I told mom, "I came 1 month back. I am not nearby that I can fly." So my mom told that, "No, beta, I just called you." But their voice is something staggering. So I told that, Mom, are you upset?" So yes. So why? I need you. I need my. If you want dollar, I can send you. I told clearly. But she told, "No, I don't want your dollar. I need you, your family, your daughter, your son." This was my turning point of that point. Since 2013, I was thinking, but that was the turning point. I woke up till 1 o'clock. My wife slept. Next morning, I was going to the office, that is DSS Australia. I told to my wife, "Okay, just imagine that if I am in Patna, what kind of a work I could do?" Simply, because I was the Oracle DK, I have been working in the Bank of America on behalf of Oracle. I was working in American Express. I was working in the Amazon. I have taken care of SBI. I was the first person who has made the database for the Geo network which you are seeing. So I was the most valuable database expert, become into this one. So wherever the critical project is there, that I have been sent by the Oracle. That is why I have moved all across the globe. So that time, so my wife is a skeptic view that why he is saying that, but he has still prepared for this one. So I told that I am coming in the night. I will prepare for this one. And she has prepared for that, like Matsya Palan, poultry farm, plastic factory, because Patna, I cannot compare this Patna to Australia or America or whatsoever. Then I have decided, after 2 to 3 days, why not we go for that thing which I have already exported into it, that is software company. But software company is not easy for me because I am a DBA, I cannot get a branch into yes. So that time what happened that I have decided, I came back to the Patna and started a career with the company called ZF Software Private Limited. So can you open the PPT? So this is a very simple company. That time there was no customer and all these things. So first of all, I have prepared the software for banking and banking software. I got a customer also for this one. Now second software which I have prepared for that, a billing software. But in billing, I was not able to find a much more customer. But at last, I found that there is a jewelry. In jewelry, there is a chance that we can build up. So I was not thinking that my company will run something like that one. But in last 2021, from 2021, the company revenue is keep starting working, and currently it is the company turnover is more than 1 crore, and we have a 15 to 16 staff who is working here. So this is the story for at ZF Software Private Limited, and still counting. So with the release of you and all these things, I hope that this company will definitely grow up, and we are keep pushing this company so that from Patna at least everyone knows that this is the ZF Software and it is from the Patna. So this is my effort that even I have told each and everything how to start the company, where I was, and now because of the Patna I have came here. I don't think I didn't think that I will be entrepreneurship because in Patna I have been settled, my parents settled is there. So because of my mom I came here, and then after that I have started this company. And there are 3 partner company. Apart from the India, I have also a business. So one is Akeem Technology, that is in the Singapore. Another is Access World, that is in Kathmandu. And another company is UK, that is A1 Star. So these are the partner company we are working for this one. Apart from that, we are also working on the AI part, which I will take care of this. And some teams in Singapore, they are also integrating an AI part. because of I don't know. So AI part in our software. So this is the thing. So thank you very much that you have given me opportunity to say something like that one. Thank you, sir.